5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 16. Let's go. Guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 17th episode of the Amazon KDP niches. So without further ado, let's get right into it. In this video, I decided to pick 7 niches inside of the regular 5. I included Mother's Day and Father's Day because I got a request from a viewer that I should do book research for Father's Day, and he specifically said that he doesn't want coloring book niche research. So I added more for Mother's Day and Father's Day because those are one of the biggest niches that you ever have for your KDP book sale. So I decided to add 2 extra in addition to the regular 5 that I always give. So let's get right into the first niche. The first niche of today is anxiety logbook. This is just 471 results on Amazon. Let's scroll down to see the books that are topping in this niche. So this is a bestseller, and here are other books. This one looks like KDP. This one says follow your dreams. So this is a logbook. These ones are not. These ones are just regular books that you can read. This one is a logbook right here, $7.99. And let's see if it's selling. It hasn't sold yet. Let's scroll down to the other books, anxiety books. So these ones have sold, and these are definitely KDP. Daily anxiety logbook, mood tracking journal, or my anxiety sheet. All of them right here are selling. So you can see that this niche is selling. As usual, I found here an interior and creative fabrica is the KDP anxiety journal tracker book, and someone already purchased it. No, no one yet. No one has purchased this yet. So it's a 120-page book, 6 by 9 inches, available in Adobe Illustrator and PDF for you to edit. It says it's a high quality print PDF, includes the cover. Wow, I didn't even see this before. So it has a cover. So let's see the cover. I think it's this cover right here, I'm guessing, but it says it includes a cover. So I guess that's a perk if you purchase this interior. And by the way, if you don't want to, you just want to have access to all the interiors, I would recommend that you go for the $19 per month plan. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. And let's take a look at the keywords that we can use with this. So it's an anxiety logbook. Oh wow, surprisingly, it's just anxiety logbook as the keyword. Anxiety logbook. That's what publisher okay says. So it's just anxiety logbook, guys. That's the keyword that you can use. The most focused keyword that you can use that people are searching for is just anxiety logbook. So let's move on to the second niche for today. Second niche is tic-tac-toe game book, and I found 419 results on Amazon. Scrolling down, let's take a look at the top books in this niche. So this one for price of 498. Wow, a stiff competition right here. When you see people pricing this at 498, like as in $4, the competition is really stiff. So it shows that this book is the niche is actually selling if you see people pricing books as low as this. So this one is over 3,200 games. This one is 1,200 grids. So let's take a look at the interior. And so this one is a tic-tac-toe game book interior. It's 120 pages, available as a PDF file, and it's 6 by 9 inches. And this one is just 120 pages. But I did a video before showing you of a tool that you can use to create unlimited interiors of games such as tic-tac-toe, man, and more. That tool is called Puzzleways. You can get it with the bookbolt pro subscription, and I've spoken a lot about bookbolt. There's a link in the description if you want to check out bookbolt. So if you get a pro subscription, you'll get puzzle whiz. So I've made a video in the past about puzzle whiz. If you just go to my channel and search for puzzle whiz, you see the video I made. It says you can make $15,000 per month with puzzle whiz. I'll actually show you proof. So moving on to publisher, okay, let's take a look at the keywords that you can use. So tic-tac-toe game book. I'm just gonna quickly scroll for you. So there are a lot of keywords that you can use for this niche. Tic-tac-toe game book. All right, so that's it for the keywords. We're gonna move on to the next niche. The next niche is blood pressure logbook. Niche number 3, 694 results. Scrolling down, you can see books that are topping in this niche. So blood pressure logbook already selling 599, 798, 699, and look, as you can see, BSR, that means it's already selling. Some already have reviews. And here's the interior that I found for your Creative Fabrica. KDP blood pressure logbook, price of $5. 4 people have added it to Favorite, 6 by 9 inches, 120 pages, and 2 to yeah, interior only, no bleed. That means it has no cover. So I just forget to mention something about the puzzle whiz. If you want you can use the code Make Money Online. That's for this previous niche. This previous niche. If you want to try bookbolt, you can use the code Make Money Online for a 20% discount. I just remember that I didn't mention it. So let's go back to a niche. This is the blood pressure book, and I showed you the interior. And now we're going to Publisher Rocket to see what keywords you can use with this. So this is it, blood pressure logbook. Just quickly going to scroll for you. So many keywords in this blood pressure logbook. So that's it for the keywords. We're moving on to the fourth niche of the day is cigar tasting logbooks for 747 results. Scrolling down, you can see cigar tasting logbooks. Take a look at the books already selling. This one, it looks like a new book. This one is already selling, or these ones have sold. They already have BSR and they have reviews. So let's go to publisher. Let's go to Creative Fabrica. See the interior I got for you. It's KDP cigar tasting logbook interior available in PDF, InDesign, PowerPoint. 300 dpi, 6 by 9 pages, 6 by 9 inches, 100 pages. 2 people have added this to favorite. Nobody has left a review yet. So let's take a look at the keywords that you can use with this cigar tasting logbook. And it's cigar tasting logbook, cigar tasting journal, and that's just the keywords that you can use. Moving on to the fifth niche of the day is budget organizer logbook. 468 results on Amazon, and here are the books that are topping in this niche. So this one still are selling, as you can see, the BSR, and this one bill payment organizer already has a review. Okay, we're going to Creative Fabrica to see interior that you can use with this book. So this one already, let's see if it has a cover. I saw something that looks like a cover, but let's see. No cover. It doesn't have a cover. So it contains yearly book, phone book, password, savings tracker, monthly planner, expense tracker, big tracker, and notes. So here are the keywords that you can use. Budget organizer logbook. Oh, that's it. So that's the keywords that you can use. So to the second part of this video, I told you that I did some extra two keywords or two niches for the Mother and Father's Day niches, because those ones are very, very huge niches that people buy a lot of books. And although they are they have a lot of competition, but it's a very, very big niche that you cannot ignore. So I'm going to talk about it. And besides, a viewer said I should do some research for this niche. So I did. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is the Father's Day niche because that's what he requested. And yes, it's over 10,000 results, which I won't advise you to go into because it's more than 10,000 results. It's a lot of competition. But you know, you can always advertise to get your book to the first page, which is what these people are doing right here. So I found this niche. It's a very, very unique niche. It lets the customer customize the book by filling the prompts. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. This one is doing very well. And look inside. So we're going to look inside this book and see what you want. So page 1, it says I love you have to fill it. Page 2, we always have the best time when we dash together. So these are prompts that you have to fill. So I went ahead and found 100 prompts that you can, or 126 or 126 prompts that you can use to make your own book. So you just saw an example how the book looks like. So 126 prompts from here. And the website is called zooks.com, and it's 100 reasons why I love you, something like that. So these are the prompts that you can use for your book. You're going to do the same thing with the Mother's Day niche, but you're just going to change it to Mother's Day. So this is how the Mother's Day one looks like. What I Love About You by me. So these are the books that are topping in this niche. This one has over 12,000 reviews. So you can imagine how this book is selling. And this other one has what? One for the Father's Day has over 2,000 reviews. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications. You'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.